Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to quickly fix an unresponsive Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra by following these steps. So what you are going to do is to locate on your phone the volume down button and the power button. So what we need to do is simultaneously hold these two buttons at the same time. So you are going to try to use two of your thumbs to hold down it and try to keep it holding it until it goes completely black. And then once we see that Samsung logo for it, we let go. And that's going to go ahead and make it force a restart, fixing any issues by shutting down the phone completely. Usually it's a software related bug or a glitch that may be causing it to be unresponsive or frozen. It's going to go ahead and fix that. Now if that did not work for you, try to plug it into a charger and leave it for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Make sure it's a good cable as well as an adapter, and that's going to be really help you. And also make sure that the temperature is not too cold or too hot. So if you happen to be in an area where it's too cold or too hot, try to get it to a room temperature and then do this method. After you have again charged it for 15 to 30 minutes, it should start working for you normally again. So guys, that is how you can go ahead and fix unresponsive Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year.